Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how you install scripts in Adobe After Effects. So let's assume you downloaded a script from the internet and you want to install it in the After Effects. This is how you're going to do that. So I'll be using my script that I created as an example. The script is used for writing notes or for taking notes in After Effects. It can also be used to paste a large amount of text. If you are working with a large number of text, instead of going back and forth between your text editor and After Effects, you can paste all the text inside After Effects all at once. Then you'll be picking it one by one based on what you need. So if you want to know more about this script, check the video that I made about it, how it works and all of that. So let's get back to this particular one, how to install After Effects script. So I've already downloaded the script, so I'm going to just navigate to where the script is. This is the first thing I want to do. So this is the script notes AE, as you can see it here. And then I'm going to open another tab which I've already done here. I will navigate to program files. I will navigate to Adobe. I'll find After Effects. I'll find support files. I will scroll down and look for scripts, and inside ScriptUI, that's where I'm going to copy my script, carry this and just drop it here. So if you don't know what I did here, what I did is I right drag. Instead of using my left button to drag, I use my right button to drag. So, and that's going to create a context menu when you get to the location where you want to drop it. So I'm just going to select copy here, and when I do that, it's going to copy it. So that being done, all I need to just do now is to restart After Effects. After Effects has been restarted. So when I go back to window menu now and I reveal the rest, you can now see Notes AE, and when I open it, it's going to dock it. So it's a dockable panel. You can dock it anywhere you like on your inside your After Effects. So I prefer to dock it right here. Just like I said before, you can copy a large amount of text and just paste it there and be selecting the text that you want instead of going back and forth between your text. So if you want to know more about the script and you also want to find out where you're going to get it, check the description below this video. You are going to find a link to the video that details the script and how you can find it, where you can find it. If you find this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share it. Also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will be reading them. Thank you. See you next time.